Sejal. I get a few comments on my channel asking me why I repeat my outfits or why I wear the same pair of shoes in the same video, and even some people that I work with ask me these questions. To be honest, I really don't care about repeating my outfits or my clothes, but I thought I'd get a second opinion for you guys.
So I'm in Connaught Place right now and I'm with
Nitin
John.
I'm Tarun. Arusha Batra. Karan Chawla, thank you.
No, I don't think so.
Do you think repeating clothes is okay or you won't repeat clothes?
No, repeating clothes is okay.
Some girls mind repeating clothes and some don't. So are you fine with repeating clothes?
Perfectly fine. Yeah. Yeah, मैं तो करती हूँ. Because I don't have loads of. Yeah, I'm not villainous.
Girls tend to not repeat clothes. They think that like repeating clothes isn't the best thing to do. What do you think about that?
Totally agree. No, not really. It's not like that we get new clothes every day. We repeat clothes. It doesn't really matter. Actually, I can't wear one cloth twice.
What do you think about that? Do you repeat clothes or do you care about that?
Yeah, it's all about how you carry yourself. Like you can repeat it any number of times.
You're so diplomatic. You can be a politician.
But repeating, continuously and like if you're wearing same clothes on Tuesday and wearing same clothes on Wednesday. Well, actually, depends on the person's perception. See, I don't like to repeat it like 100 number of times at the same place. पड़ेगा मतलब एक या दो बार ठीक है, चार बार नहीं.
If your date is wearing the same thing today and he wears the same thing on the next date,
Actually, he should smell nice. It doesn't matter whether he's wearing the same thing. Depends. If he's not smelling, I'm cool with it.
Yeah.
He does.
He does.
That's okay. If I actually love him or like him, then okay.
How sweet.
He wears like the same outfit for a few times. So would you mind?
अगर boyfriend है तो I'll not allow him to do that. Trust me, he's an HM. He wears the suit every day, so it doesn't matter. That'll be a bit weird. Like I'll think why he's doing that. I don't know. Why don't you have clothes?
It is kind of a turn off because I actually dated a guy who wore the same sweater twice in a week. I stopped seeing him.
Wow. If you had to wear one thing for the rest of your life, then what would you wear?
Something long. Elegant and long. I don't know, jeans. I think that's a good top. Yeah, maybe a crop top. Yeah. Track suits, they're pretty comfortable. I'll wear like jeans. तो नहीं पहन कुछ तो होने चाहिए, at least दो कपड़े तो पहने. Jeans and a t-shirt.
I'm a dancer, so I'll prefer wearing pajamas, lowers.
Gown.
A gown?
Yeah. Probably shorts and a blue t-shirt and shoes.
Like for the rest of my life. Burqa?
What? A burqa? Really? So that's it for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you
Give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment. Share it with your friends.
and also we did a video on their channel. Make sure you guys check it out. I'll leave the links below and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hi guys, so how did you like that video? It was a really different experience for me to make something like this and I was actually a little scared putting it up. So do let me know what you thought in the comments below and make sure you guys go ahead to the Teen Trolls channel and subscribe to them. They're really cute and really funny. And do share this video with a friend if you like it and also let me know what you think about the whole repeating clothes issue and I'll see you next time. Bye!